Ever wondered why the rich keep getting richer while others struggle to make ends meet? The answer might shock you. In this video, we'll reveal 15 powerful assets that are quietly making people wealthy. If you don't watch until the end, you might miss out on the one asset that could revolutionize your financial future overnight. From hidden moneymakers to surprising wealth generators, prepare to have your perspective on building wealth completely transformed. Don't forget to subscribe for more eye-opening content that could be the key to unlocking your path to financial freedom. 1. The liquid gold mine. Cash is still king in the world of assets. It provides liquidity for seizing opportunities and can be leveraged for high-return investments. Apple, for instance, keeps over $150 billion in cash reserves, allowing them to quickly acquire promising startups or invest in new technologies. Even for individuals, peer-to-peer lending platforms offer the opportunity to earn higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts. 2. The passive income powerhouse. Real estate remains a cornerstone of wealth building. It offers both steady rental income and long-term appreciation. Consider the success of real estate moguls like Donald Bren, who built a $17 billion fortune through strategic property investments. From residential buildings to commercial spaces, real estate provides multiple avenues for generating wealth. 3. The government's IOU bonds are a safer, albeit slower, path to wealth. They provide steady income and are often backed by government guarantees. Warren Buffett, for example, has long advocated for bond investments as a stable part of a diversified portfolio. While the returns may be lower than riskier investments, bonds offer security and predictability. 4. The ownership shortcut. Stocks offer a way to own a piece of successful companies with minimal effort. They've created countless millionaires over the years. Take the case of Ronald Read, a janitor who amassed an $8 million fortune primarily through smart stock investments. By carefully selecting and holding on to quality stocks, anyone can potentially build significant wealth over time. 5. The diversification dynamo. Mutual and index funds provide instant diversification and professional management. They're a favorite of many wealthy individuals for their balance of growth and risk management. John Bogle, founder of Vanguard, revolutionized investing by creating the first index fund, making it easier for average investors to build wealth over time. 6. The money-making machine. Equipment that generates income or increases productivity is a valuable asset. For a freelance videographer, a high-quality camera is an asset. Tesla's gigafactories, filled with cutting-edge manufacturing equipment, are prime examples of how the right equipment can dramatically scale production and profits. 7. The idea gold mine. Patents protect inventions and can generate substantial royalties. James Dyson's vacuum cleaner patents, for instance, formed the foundation of his multi-billion-dollar empire. Even seemingly simple inventions like the Post-it note have generated millions in revenue for their creators. 8. The brand guardian. Trademarks protect valuable brand elements and can be licensed for profit. Michael Buffer's trademarked phrase, "Let's get ready to rumble," has earned him over $400 million through licensing deals. Similarly, Disney's aggressive trademark protection has helped maintain the value of its iconic characters and logos. 9. The intangible powerhouse. Brand and goodwill are invaluable intangible assets. They can drive sales and customer loyalty beyond the tangible value of products. Apple's brand, for instance, allows them to command premium prices for their products. The Coca-Cola brand alone is estimated to be worth over $87 billion, showcasing the immense value of a strong brand. 10. The human capital gold mine. People are often a company's most valuable asset. Their skills, knowledge, and innovation drive success. When Marissa Mayer left Google for Yahoo, it was seen as a major loss for Google and a coup for Yahoo. Similarly, the departure of key employees from companies like Apple or Tesla can significantly impact stock prices, underlining the value of human capital. 11. The commodity vault. Raw materials and commodities can be lucrative investments. Gold, for example, has seen a 221% price increase over the past 15 years. Art has outperformed the S&P 500 over the last 20 years, with pieces by artists like Banksy seeing astronomical price increases. 12. The infinite replicator. Books, songs, and digital courses can generate income indefinitely. J.K. Rowling became a billionaire through her Harry Potter books and associated merchandise. Similarly, online course creators like Ramit Sethi have built multi-million-dollar businesses by selling information products. 13. The perpetual profit machine. Royalties from intellectual property can provide ongoing income. The Friends cast still earns millions annually from reruns decades after the show ended. George Lucas's decision to retain merchandising rights for Star Wars ultimately led to his multi-billion-dollar fortune. 14. The unfair advantage. Unique rights or licenses can provide a significant competitive edge. Native American tribes in the U.S. have exclusive rights to operate casinos on their lands, leading to substantial wealth generation for some tribes. Similarly, pharmaceutical companies with exclusive patents can command high prices for their drugs. 15. The Pioneer's Prize. First-mover advantage and innovative business models can be incredibly valuable. Netflix's transition from DVD rentals to streaming gave them a significant head start in the now crowded streaming market. Airbnb's disruption of the hospitality industry is another prime example of how innovative business models can create immense value. If you're intrigued by these wealth-building assets and want to learn more about achieving financial freedom, keep watching our previous videos. They tackle even more ways to build your fortune and reveal surprising strategies that could accelerate your path to wealth. Don't miss out on these game-changing insights. Click the link in the description to access our full playlist on mastering the art of wealth creation and discover which of these assets could be your ticket to financial independence.